Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Aliki, and I'm 29.
And tell me a little bit about yourself.
I've been singing ever since I was a little baby. This has been my dream. I just can't believe I'm here today.
And do you think you can win this show?
I will do my best. I've always learned to fight through different circumstances I've gone through.
Like what, Aliki?
A few years ago, I was diagnosed with focal encephalitis.
What's that?
It's an inflammation of the brain, which meant that I couldn't speak, read, write, walk.
Wow.
My mum would do everything for me. She would feed me, bathe me, and...
Aliki had just finished her first year at university. Life was just starting for her, and within the first 2 weeks of her being back from uni, her speech was starting to slur. She was getting confused about simple tasks. We started to realise that something was going terribly wrong. We went to seek the doctor's advice, and she was diagnosed with encephalitis. It was a very frightening time. She couldn't walk, she couldn't feed herself. It was really like everything that she'd known had been rubbed away. The doctors really couldn't say to us, "Don't worry, she'll be fine," because they really didn't know if she would be. It was heartbreaking. She didn't want to believe that this is how things were going to be. There was one night, it was just me and Aliki in the hospital room, so I just started to hum songs that Aliki had enjoyed since she was very young. And all of a sudden, you just heard this wonderful, clear humming coming from Aliki, and she just could remember all the tunes, which was absolutely amazing. It was just a sign. It was a very gradual recovery. But she's a very strong young lady. Music's just been such a big part of her, and the fact that she could respond to music when she was so very, very poorly, I think that's made it an extra special part of her life. I'm very proud of Aliki. She deserves the world, and I hope she gets it, I really do.
I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Like open doors, leading you down into my core, where I become so numb without a soul. My spirit sleeping somewhere cold until you find it there and lead it back home. Wake me up inside, wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Bid my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I become. Bring me to frozen inside, without your touch, without your love, darling. Only you are the life amongst the dead. Wake me up inside, save me from the nothing I become.
you, Aliki. Amanda, what did you think?
Oh my goodness me. I can't imagine what your mum must be thinking, because that's practically an anthem for her. The words bring me back to life, hear my voice. It was amazing. So congratulations.
Thank you.
David?
When you came on, I thought, I hope your voice is as beautiful as how you look, and it was incredible.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're inspiring so many people, you will, and I'm so glad you came here today.
Oh, thank you ever so much. Thank you.
Simon?
Well, you just have a natural talent, Aliki. You know, that lyric was so poignant. And there's something about your energy, Aliki, which is just incredible.
David? Yes or no?
It's a yes.
Amanda?
Yes, absolutely yes.
Thank you.
I love you, it's a yes. Simon?
Well, let me tell you, you've got 4 yeses. Congratulations.
That was amazing.
Thank you.
She's amazing.
There's something special about her.
Thrilled for you. Well done. And you
you
got
ever
great,
so much.
great comments from the judges. Really lovely comments from the judges. And I will be seeing you again.
Yes.
Yes. Well done. Well done.
Following your mum.
Congratulations.
Hello?
Hello?
Emma?
I've gone through to the second round.
She made it.
Oh my God, I've been waiting all the time. Oh, that's so exciting.
Hello to you watching on YouTube. If you want to see more incredible talent, click on the button below and make sure you subscribe to the BGT channel. It's worth it. I'm on it.